Hey there, credit enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to add a trade line to your Experian in 2025. If you're aiming to boost your credit score or build a stronger financial profile, adding a trade line can be a game changer. First off, what's a trade line? It's basically a record of your credit activity, like a loan, credit card, or line of credit, that gets reported to credit bureaus like Experian. By 2025, with updated regulations, this process has become even more user-friendly, but let's dive into the steps to make sure you do it right. Step 1. Start by logging into your Experian account. If you don't have one, head to the Experian website and create a free account. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Credit Report, or Dispute and Add section. This is where you'll manage your information. Step 2. Look for the option to add a trade line. In 2025, Experian has streamlined this with a new Add Activity feature. You'll need details like the creditor's name, account number, balance, and payment history. Make sure you have accurate information handy to avoid any delays. Step 3. Submit the request. Experian might ask for verification, so be prepared to upload documents like statements or a letter from the creditor. This helps prevent fraud and ensures your trade line is legitimate. Processing times are usually fast. Expect 7 to 14 days for updates. A quick tip: always double-check your report after adding a trade line to confirm it's reflected correctly. If there's an error, dispute it right away. Remember, adding a trade line isn't a magic fix, but it can positively impact your credit mix and history. Wrapping this up, by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your Experian report in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay smart with your money.